Bullish Mana value expectation is 76 cents to $2.27. Decentraland cost could likewise reach $3 soon. Mana negative market cost expectation for 2022 is 38 cents. In Decentraland cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Mana to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Decentraland current market status, as indicated by CoinGecko. The cost of Decentraland is 61 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $150,714,949 at the hour of composing. In any case, Mana has expanded by almost 2.4% as of now. Besides, Decentraland has a flowing stockpile of 1,815,848,697 Mana. As of now, Decentraland exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and LBank. What is Decentraland? Decentraland is the local badge of Decentraland, a decentralized computer-generated simulation stage. Mana was sent off in 2017 as an ERC20 token. Clients buy different in-game resources utilizing Mana. They likewise get casting a ballot rights by holding Decentraland tokens. Decentraland sends two unique tokens, Mana and Land. Mana fills in as the administration token and computerized money of the task. Land are the local non-fungible tokens that address the plots of the metaverse. The extraordinary highlights of Decentraland convinced famous brands to introduction to the metaverse. Beginning from Samsung to JP Morgan, they laid out their undertakings in Decentraland. Strangely, crypto devotees from Arizona embraced Decentraland to organize their first metaverse marriage. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022. The above diagram of Decentraland spread out the plummeting channel, otherwise called the falling channel design. The plummeting channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. At present, Decentraland is in the scope of 64 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Mana could arrive at the opposition levels of 76 cents, $1.11, and $1.37. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Mana might tumble to 58 cents. Decentraland backing and opposition levels. The graph underneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Decentraland. The diagrams show that Decentraland has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Mana could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $2.27. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of Decentraland could dive to nearly 38 cents, a negative sign. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Decentraland is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of Mana lies underneath the end line, demonstrating more vulnerable members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Decentraland is displayed in the outline above. Presently, Mana is in a negative state. Decentraland cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is totally in a downtrend. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Mana whenever. In the interim, the general strength list of the Mana is 47.14. This implies that Decentraland is in an almost oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Mana might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Decentraland. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Decentraland. At present, ADX of Mana lies in the scope of 56.3588, so it shows major areas of strength for it. The above outline likewise addresses the overall instability file of Decentraland. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Mana lies over 50, demonstrating high unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Decentraland is at 47.14, in this manner affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of Mana with BTC, ETH. The underneath diagram shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Decentraland. From the above outline, we can decipher the value changes of BTC, ETH, and Mana are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and Mana likewise increment or lessening individually. Decentraland Value Expectation 2023. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Decentraland could likely accomplish $5 by 2023. Decentraland Value Forecast 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Decentraland could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Mana could mobilize to hit $7 by 2024. Decentraland Value Expectation 2025. In the event that Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Mana would revitalize to hit $9. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. If Decentraland supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Mana would revitalize to hit $12. Decentraland Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Decentraland supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Mana would energize to hit $14. Decentraland Value Forecast 2028. Notwithstanding the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, if Decentraland holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, it could drive huge cost rallies. In this way, by 2028, Mana would hit $15. Decentraland Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Decentraland, it would observe significant spikes. Mana could hit $17 by 2029. Decentraland Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy progressions in the Decentraland environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Mana for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Decentraland could hit $20 by 2030. And, with ceaseless enhancements in the Decentraland organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Mana. Hence, the bullish value forecast of Decentraland in 2022 is $2.27. Then again, the negative value expectation of Decentraland cost expectation for 2022 is 38 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Decentraland biological system, the exhibition of Mana would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $5.85 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $3 assuming the financial backers accept that Mana is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Decentraland? Mana is the local digital money of Decentraland, a blockchain-based metaverse. Decentraland was sent off in 2017. Clients can buy and exchange resources the Decentraland environment utilizing Mana. 2. Where could you at any point buy Decentraland? Decentraland has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, Upbit, Bybit, and LBank. 3. Will Decentraland come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Decentraland stage, Mana has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Decentraland? On November 25, 2021, Decentraland arrived at its new all-time high of $5.85. 5. Is Decentraland a wise interest in 2022? Decentraland is by all accounts one of the top